morning guys, welcome to a new vlog and happy Monday. I just did my morning routine and I'm about to make breakfast. I feel very grateful and calm this week. This last weekend and the last few days were very stressful and overwhelming. There were a lot of things that were happening that I wasn't sure what was going on and it was stressing me out, but luckily, like all things in my life, everything always works out exactly how it is meant to and in divine timing. And for some reason I always forget this, and this weekend was definitely a reminder for me in terms of that. And yeah, I just wanted to share that because I know that in life there are so many things that we cannot control. There are so many obstacles that might come our way and it can feel overwhelming and stressful, but at the end of the day, the only thing we can control is how we react to situations, how we feel, our mindset. And during very stressful and overwhelming times, this is when I really like to implement my grounding tools and practices such as meditation and journaling and making sure that I'm not letting my thoughts get the best of me. And so I wanted to share that. I just picked up this room spray from Target yesterday and it smells so good. It's such a clean and fresh smell. I think it's perfect for the springtime. I'll link it down below, but it smells so good. So I just got a few packages in the mail and I thought I'd show you really quickly what I got. So this stuff over here by Osea, I was sent by them and I just got 2 of their eye products, their advanced repair eye cream, and I also got their Ocean Eyes age defining eye serum. So I'm excited to add that into my routine. Thank you to Osea for sending these over. I believe they're having a sale at the moment. If they are, I'll place it on the screen along with my coupon code, and I'll also leave it in the description below if you want to try any of their products. And then I also stocked up on a few of the Desi skin products. I purchased this with my own money. I got their Agua Fresca thirst quenching gel cream moisturizer. I haven't yet tried this moisturizer, but I'm really excited to try it. And I also picked up their Claro que Sí vitamin C serum. I have tried this already and I absolutely love it. Last time I used it, it did wonders on my skin, but I will be sure to link all of these products in the description. Happy Tuesday. I just finished taking a shower. I did my full shower routine. If you know, you know what I'm talking about. It was just time, but right now I'm going to do my skincare routine for the day. I'm starting off with my Desi Claro que Sí vitamin C serum. I showed this to you guys yesterday. I just got it in the mail. Probably do about that much. So yeah, I just felt it was time to have a full body care, shower, skincare routine situation. I'm also going to be using my Osea's Hyaluronic C Serum. You already know that this is a staple in my skincare routine. I love this time. When it comes to my daytime skincare routine, I like it to be very hydrating, nourishing, and calming. And in the evening, that's kind of when I integrate more stronger products, more of the treatments. So That's kind of how I like to balance out my skincare routine. And then I'm also going in with my Osea's Ocean Eyes Age Defying Eye Serum. It says it's a hydrating gel that addresses all signs of aging around eyes, including the look of fine lines, crow's feet, and dark circles. So this is what it looks like. It kind of looks like a roller perfume situation. I just put a little. Ooh, that's very calming and soothing. Okay, so I'm just gonna put a little bit and then use my fingers. That was very calming to apply. Now I'm going in with the Desi's Agua Fresca Thirst Quenching Moisturizer. I love it. So this is what it looks like. Comes out like that. This one feels so nice on the skin. So I really, really like it. I'm just gonna take my sunscreen from Apostrophe. If you listen to my podcast, you know that I work with them. They've been such a great resource for my skin. I do have a code for them where you can get $15 off your first visit, and they connect you with an expert dermatology team where you fill out a questionnaire about your skin concerns, your goals, and they prescribe a treatment plan for your skin and your skin issues. So I'm just gonna take a little bit of the sunscreen. Anyways, that's kind of what my daily skincare routine looks like. Okay, so I think I'm gonna go head out and lay out by the pool right now. It's really nice out and I really don't have anything else to do, so I'm just packing my bag. I think I'm gonna take my journal, a book, and my headphones so I can listen to some music. It's about 2:22 right now. Angel number. I've been seeing that angel number everywhere, but anyways, I think I'm gonna lay out for about an hour, read, journal, listen to some music, just spend some time with myself, you know? So, ooh, I need to get my water as well. Okay, now we're ready. Guys, happy Wednesday. So I just finished getting ready for the day. We are headed out to work from a coffee shop today and just kind of spend the afternoon out, even though it's super rainy and gloomy today, which is very surprising because this time last year it was super sunny and bright out, but this time around it's completely different. But I thought that I would Fifi. Anyways, excuse my cat. We are headed over to a coffee shop to work from there today. Now that we are in this like fun and flow era, I'm really prioritizing being intentional with mixing up my daily routines and my daily schedule in little ways that I can, such as working from a coffee shop one day or hanging out by the pool, finding little ways to mix up my daily routine. I was watching a TikTok the other day of someone who is originally from Europe who is now living in the US, and she was saying how one of the biggest differences that she notices is back in Europe, people, families, couples, single people, doesn't matter age or you know where you were in your life, people did something every single night and didn't just live for the weekends, versus here in the US I feel like Monday through Friday is work, school, you know, very productive mindset, and then we live for the weekends. That's when we go out and party and shop and brunch and do all of that fun stuff. And I'm trying to slowly incorporate a little bit more of that European lifestyle into my life here in the US as much as I can. I know it's not maybe possible or super realistic to do something every single day, like go out every single day, and nor would I want to go out every single day either. That's just not my personality, but I am trying to find little ways to change up my daily routine, even if it's just changing up my environment or my small habits and things like that. My boyfriend and I were talking this morning and we were saying how we don't want to wait till the weekend to do like fun things together, and we want to add more like fun into our weekly lives. So we were thinking of starting this thing where every Wednesday we do something a little bit different and fun together that's out of our normal routine, and still have like our date night on the weekend whenever we decide to do that. So this is us implementing that today, and I just think it's a great way to like break up the week. And we all have responsibilities and bills to pay and things like that, so obviously work does make up a big part of our lives, but I do think that there are small tangible ways that we can add more fun in our lives. Just as a mid-week pick-me-up, Wednesdays are like the middle of the week. It's something to look forward to and kind of gets you through the week. So just thought I'd share that because I'm sure there are a lot of us who can relate to feeling like all you do is work or go to school and study Monday through Friday, and you're just waiting till the weekend. But then when the weekend gets here, you have things to catch up on around the house, chores to get done, errands to run, and you don't have any time for yourself, whether that's resting or hanging out with friends or doing what you actually want to do. So this is my way of doing that, and I thought I'd share that to hopefully inspire you all to do the same. Just showered and did my skincare routine. It's a little bit later in the day now, and I'm kind of getting into my evening routine now, and I thought I'd bring you along with me because I've been implementing some new tips in my evening routine that has made the biggest difference in my sleep. But anyways, before I get into my tips and things like that, I wanted to just come on here and say that today was definitely one of those days where I did not properly take care of myself. I did not drink nearly enough water. I had way too much caffeine, and I had caffeine too late in the day, which is one of my nightly routine tips that I have. So I just wanted to share that to be transparent with you guys, that not every day am I perfect, nor do I do the things that I know I should do, and I'm not beating myself over it, and I'm just acknowledging that I didn't do the best that I could, and the only thing that I can do now is focus on doing better tomorrow. When it comes to my nighttime routine and the things that I do to help me get a good night's sleep, the first tip that I've been implementing is not having caffeine or coffee past 1:30 p.m., 2 p.m. the latest. That's my very first tip, and like I said, today I did not practice that tip. I did have caffeine around 3:30, 4 p.m. So I think right now I'm going to make a nighttime tea to kind of help unwind and calm my mind. So hopefully by the time it's actually time for bed, I am sleepy. I think right now it's about 7:30 or so. And if not, I am probably going to have to take a melatonin. I don't like to do because melatonin and things like that leave me feeling super groggy the next morning, and it's extremely hard for me to wake up at the time that I want to wake up. And tomorrow morning I have a 7 a.m. workout class scheduled, and I'm probably going to have to cancel my workout class because there's no way that I'm going to be able to wake up early enough and feel good. I know I'm going to be groggy. So this is a perfect example of how my nighttime routine directly affects how I show up for myself the next day. My second tip is to begin the unwinding process by doing my skincare, showering, and kind of getting my body physically ready for the evening, which I already did. Side note, how cute is this mug that my family got for me? They know me so well. Okay, but if you have an iPhone, there is a feature in your iPhone that will play white noise or background noise throughout the entire night. And this is what has been helping me get a good night's sleep. So again, I will link the video in the description to get the full tutorial. I do not take credit for this, but you just go into your settings and under accessibility, and then you go to audio/visual, and then there should be a section that says background sounds, and you want to turn that on. And then there are different sounds that you can choose from. I like to do the dark noise, but they have bright, ocean, rain, and other things to choose from. Just try it out for yourself and see if it helps. I'm telling you, it has been the reason why I've been able to get a good night's sleep. Hopefully it will help me tonight, even though I've had coffee pretty late. That pretty much concludes my evening routine. Of course, still pretty early in the evening, so I still have some time to like be on my phone or watch a show or do whatever. But with that being said, I think I'm gonna end today's vlog here. I hope that you enjoyed. I hope that some of these tips were helpful.